the Zone series of Maze chairs. These are a very strong folding chair, steel frame, steel seat pan, upholstered seat, and then a molded polypropylene back. Some unique features on these chairs is the heavy duty steel frame. We have the double braces on the back that are double riveted. The leg links here are doubled up, so one on each side of the frame on each side here. And this is a lot stronger than some of the cheap chairs you'll find at some of the discount stores. We have them in 4 different colors: the neutral, black with a blue seat, black with a burgundy seat, and black with the Maze black beige seat. And again, very strong. We also have the storage carts for them. You can use either this kind of cart and stack them vertically in here, or else you can use a hanging cart and just hug them on like so. So a full range of storage solutions for these chairs too. Again, they carry a 5-year warranty.